Hey van lifers, if you're ready to take your campervan experience to the next level, we've got something you'll love. Living in a Bubbles Ram ProMaster window covers will change the way you camp, keeping you comfortable, private, and protected in every season. These temperature regulating covers are designed to keep your van cool during hot summer days and warm when winter's chill sets in. And when it's time for a good night's sleep, they block out 100% of light, creating the perfect pitch black environment for rest.
Installation is quick and simple. No drilling, no suction cups, just strong, heavy-duty magnets that snap into place in seconds. You can set them up and remove them just as easily, making them ideal for both short trips and long-term adventures. When not in use, they fold up neatly for easy storage. No bulky gear to take up space in your van, just compact, lightweight covers that are ready to go whenever you are. We also designed our rear door cover with sturdy built-in storage pockets, perfect for organizing small essentials like phone, keys, or chargers. It's extra functionality where you need it most.
Don't just take our word for it. Watch how one of our awesome customers installs their window covers and shares why they're a game changer for their Ram ProMaster van life.
Hey fellow adventurers, so this is a package I just received from Living in a Bubble. Let's take a look and see what's inside. All right guys, look at this beautiful packaging. And there it is, Living in a Bubble. Let's take a look at what the inside looks like. All right guys, this is the front windshield cover and it is magnificent. It's soft and all right, here we go. Look at how easy this is. Unfold it. Bring it around the mirror. And the magnet sketch. Up here. Fold your visors down. All right, we're going to go ahead and put the driver's side window shade in. Simple, easy. You can hear it click in space. Down a little bit, over. All right, here's the driver's side, the main windshield. Living in a Bubble, you outdid yourself. This is amazing. The main focal point is going to be this.
Whether you're stealth camping in the city or camping off the beaten path, these window covers are a must-have for your camper van. They not only provide privacy and comfort, but also protect your van's interior from the elements. Want the same privacy and comfort our customers are loving?
Your dream van setup is just a click away. Tap the link below to order your Living in a Bubble window covers today. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and join our growing van life family. Adventure starts here.